On this vintage connector, it's for a white sewing machine from the 70s. We do have this two plugs, and then the wire to the pedal and wire to the wall. And on the bottom of it, you have this sort of a, actually these two are screws, but they have completely flattened heads. You can actually, I was saying, I think it's almost impossible to grab the head with a pliers, with a small pliers. It's a thin nose pliers. Grab these studs and rotate them counterclockwise. But if you somehow manage to do so, let's try it. I did. If you manage to unscrew them from there, apologies. This is what they look like. So it's really a regular screw. I've never seen this before, with a completely flat head. There is no notch, no nothing. You need to grab them from the sides if you manage, because it's really almost nothing to grab on. Let's finish undoing this. The other one, obviously I'm not filming when I was trying to undo them first, but just to show that it is, I don't know to say possible, but maybe there is a chance, let's call it this way, and then you can fix the wires. If you want to replace the cables, careful inside here, obviously undo it from the wall. There is a way to access this thing.